ویلکم بیک ٹو تعبیر اکیڈمی، اور آج ہم بات کریں گے سبجیکٹ ماڈیفائر پلیسمنٹ کی۔ A modifier is a word or phrase that describes, clarifies, or gives more detail about a noun. It must be placed right next to the noun it's describing, otherwise it causes confusion or a dangling modifiers. What are modifiers? Modifiers can be single words like tired, blue, angry. They could be participle phrase. A participle phrase begins with a present or past participle, a verb form ending in ing or ed, and acts like an adjective describing a noun. The structure is participle plus modifier. Walking through the park, Maria stopped to watch the ducks. Walking through the park describes Maria who is doing the walking. So it must be placed right next to the noun it describes. So in SAT, if it is placed too far from the noun, it creates a dangling modifier. Prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase starts with the preposition like in, on, at, over, under, with, etc. and ends with a noun or a pronoun. It usually acts as an adjective or adverb describing a location, time, or relation. So the structure is preposition plus object of preposition. In a hurry, the student forgot her notes. In a hurry describes why the student acted an adverbial phrase. In SAT, it is often used between subject and verb. Don't let it confuse with the subject-verb agreement. Then we have a positive phrase, and a positive phrase renames or give extra information about a noun. It's usually right next to the noun it is describing. So noun plus the positive phrase. A famous painter, Emma exhibited her work in a local gallery. A famous painter renames Emma. It's non-essential and is often set off with commas. If placed incorrectly, the sentence can become ambiguous or misleading. So what is a misplaced or dangling modifier? A modifier is present, but it is too far from the noun it describes, causing confusion. Example is incorrect. She served sandwiches to the children on paper plates. Misplaced kya hai isme? It sounds like the children are there on the paper plates. So correct version would be she served the children sandwiches on paper plates. So इसमें अब क्या हुआ है, जो हमने लिखा था पहले she served sandwiches to the children, अब हो गया she served the children sandwiches on paper plates. जो dangling modifier है वो pair करता है at beginning of the sentence, but the noun it's meant to describe is missing or incorrectly placed. So the sentence starts in an illogical or a funny way. For example, saying flying over the ocean, the sunrise was breathtaking. It sounds like the sunrise was flying over the ocean. The correct version would be flying over the ocean, we saw the breathtaking sunrise. So the strategy, who's doing this? See, when you see a descriptive phrase at the start of a sentence, identify what the phrase is describing. Make sure the noun immediately follows is the one performing the action or being described. So आपने आइडेंटिफाई करने के फ्रेज किस चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है और मेक श्योर करना है कि जो नाउन उस फ्रेज के बाद आ रहा है वो उसी नाउन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. तो अगर आपके पास सेंटेंस है covered in bright feathers, dash attracted a crowd at the zoo. The zookeeper, the parrot, zoo visitors, the cage. So modifier kya hai? Covered in the bright feathers. Who or what is covered in the bright feathers? It's obviously the parrot. Zookeeper, cage, or visitors do not have bright feathers. So the correct answer is B, the parrot. Another example would be riding through the city, the skyscrapers look majestic. So इसमें ऐसे लग रहा है कि जो skyscrapers हैं, they are riding through the city. The correct version would be riding through the city, we admire the majestic skyscrapers. Another incorrect example is after baking in the oven for 45 minutes, the smell of cookies filled the house. It feels like the smell is baking, but the smell wasn't baking, the cookies were. So the correct version would, after baking in the oven for 45 minutes, the cookie smell filled the house. So common SAT patterns क्या हैं? अगर modifier type है participle phrase, example हो सकता walking to the school, the book fell out of her bag. तो ऐसे इसमें लग रहा है कि जो बुक है वो वॉक करके जा रही थी स्कूल. इसका फिक्स क्या होगा? वॉकिंग टू स्कूल शी ड्रॉप्ड अ बुक. अगर prepositional phrase है तो इसकी रॉन्ग एग्जाम्पल हो सकती है आफ्टर रीडिंग द ईमेल द स्केड्यूल चेंज्ड. इट फील्स लाइक جو اسکیجول ہے اس نے ای میل پڑھی. آفٹر ریڈنگ دا ای میل شی چینج دا اسکیجول از دا کریکٹ سینٹینس. انفینیٹیو فریز ٹو امپروو ہز گریڈ ایکسٹرا ہیلپ واز ساٹ. اس کا کریکٹ ورژن ہوگا ٹو امپروو ہز گریڈ ہی ساٹ ایکسٹرا ہیلپ. Some quick fix strategies: identify the opening modifier or phrase. Ask who is doing this. Make sure the subject of the sentence comes immediately after the modifier. If not, restructure the sentence so it's clear.